Imagine waking up each day feeling fully present, free from stress, and deeply connected to yourself and the world around you. For many of us, this kind of peace feels out of reach, but there's a powerful tool that can help us get there: mindful self-care. A Harvard study found that the average person spends 47% of their waking hours thinking about something other than what they are doing. This mind wandering often leads to stress and distracts us from truly enjoying life's moments. But by practicing mindful self-care, we can tap into our potential for calm, focus, and fulfillment. Let's explore how. When we think of self-care, we might picture bubble baths, spa days, or a night of Netflix. But self-care is more than relaxation. It's a commitment to activities that nourish our mental, emotional, and physical health. Key points to cover: self-care is intentional action for overall well-being. It includes activities that restore energy, improve focus, and reduce stress. It's not selfish, rather, it's essential for maintaining balance and resilience. We cannot pour from an empty cup. Taking care of ourselves empowers us to care for others more fully. Mindfulness is at the core of effective self-care. By focusing on the present moment, we can reduce anxiety, improve our mental clarity, and increase our emotional resilience. Key points to cover: what is mindful self-care? Mindful self-care is the practice of caring for yourself with full attention and awareness of your thoughts, emotions, and body. The science behind mindfulness and stress relief explain how mindfulness reduces cortisol, the body's stress hormone, leading to a calmer mind and body. Studies show that mindful breathing can lower cortisol by up to 30%. Benefits of practicing mindful self-care: increases focus, enhances emotional regulation, reduces negative thought loops, and promotes overall well-being. One powerful way to start practicing mindful self-care is through gratitude. Research from the University of California, Davis found that people who kept a gratitude journal reported fewer physical symptoms, felt better about their lives, and were more optimistic. Morning gratitude ritual: suggest starting the day by writing down 3 things you are grateful for. Even simple things, like a warm cup of coffee or a good night's sleep, can shift your perspective. Daily check-ins: encourage viewers to take a moment throughout the day to mentally list things they appreciate in the present moment. This can create a habit of positive thinking. Being mindful of your breath and physical sensations helps ground you in the present. Taking even just 5 minutes to focus on deep, intentional breathing can ease anxiety and increase mental clarity. The 4-7-8 breathing technique: instruct viewers on this simple technique. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, and exhale for 8. This reduces stress and helps calm the nervous system. Body scan practice: explain how to do a quick body scan, noticing each part of the body from head to toe. This increases awareness of tension points and allows for gentle relaxation. Mindful eating is a self-care practice that helps you connect with the food you eat and improves digestion. When you are mindful about meals, you are more likely to make healthier choices and enjoy your food fully. Simple steps for mindful eating: suggest pausing before eating, taking a deep breath, and noticing the colors, textures, and smells of the food. Encourage viewers to chew slowly and focus on the flavors. Benefits of mindful eating: improved digestion, reduced overeating, and increased appreciation for food. Self-care also means setting boundaries. Saying no can be one of the most powerful ways to care for your mental health, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Understanding the importance of boundaries: healthy boundaries protect your energy and prevent burnout. Boundaries are not barriers, they are ways to honor your needs. Communicating boundaries gently but firmly: provide tips on respectfully asserting boundaries, such as saying, "I do love to help, but I need some time for myself right now." Practicing boundary awareness daily: encourage viewers to pay attention to times when they feel overwhelmed or stretched too thin and use those moments as signals to reinforce boundaries. Self-care is not just about actions, it's also about your mindset. Practicing self-compassion means treating yourself with kindness, especially when you make mistakes or feel down. What is self-compassion? Self-compassion involves being kind to yourself during hard times, avoiding self-criticism, and supporting yourself like you would a friend. Benefits of self-compassion for mental health: Studies show that self-compassion reduces anxiety and depression while boosting resilience. Daily self-compassion practices suggest practical exercises, like repeating affirmations, "I'm doing my best" or "It's okay to rest." When you make self-care a regular practice, it becomes easier to handle stress, make better decisions, and feel more grounded. Over time, these small acts build resilience and inner peace. Improved mental and physical health. Consistent self-care is linked with lower stress, improved immune function, and better mental clarity. Enhanced relationships. When you are taking care of yourself, you are more present, patient, and compassionate toward others. Greater resilience. Practicing self-care means you will be better prepared to handle life's challenges without burning out. By embracing mindful self-care, you are investing in your well-being, strength, and happiness. Remember, self-care is not just a one-time act, it's a lifestyle that nurtures your mind, body, and soul.